Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change QR code precision in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, enter your PIN to log into your account. Here, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Advanced Options button. Now, you can see QR code precision option, which is set to normal by default. Click on it and you can select between normal and low. Select according to your liking. And that is how you can change your QR code precision. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.